If you need to recover your FuboTV account but don't have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the FuboTV login page. Go to the official FuboTV website and click on the login option. This will take you to the page where you can enter your account details. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Clicking this will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your FuboTV account. This is crucial as the recovery instructions will be sent to this email. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from FuboTV with instructions on how to reset your password. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Click on the link provided in the email and follow the prompts to reset your password. Once completed, you should be able to log into your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to FuboTV customer support for further assistance.